Hello loves, welcome back to a highly requested video. This is going to be the beginning of my Back to Basics Natural Hair Made Easy playlist. And of course I'm going to start off with the wash day routine, which is the shampoo and condition version. And of course I'm going to start off by wetting my hair, getting it soaked as possible and as flat as possible to start shampooing. So I'm going to be using my favorite shampoo at the moment, which is the Mix Easy shampoo. If you guys watched my Get Unready With Me nighttime routine, I also have a face cream by Mix Easy. I do have a coupon code for you guys. The thing that I love about this shampoo and conditioner set is the fact that it's vegan. Like, there's just straight up natural products in this, and you get to choose up to 6 natural ingredients that you want in this customized shampoo and conditioner set. So with the shampoo, as you can see, I'm putting it on the perimeter of my hair, also down the middle, just making sure I'm getting it really in the scalp, and I'm focusing on the scalp. So I'm going to give myself a good scalp massage, and I'm not roughing up the shaft or the ends of my hair. So a lot of you are wondering, well, how do you get the rest of it clean? Well, that's what the shampoo is going to do. As it slides down the hair, it's going to clean it, but you need to focus on the scalp. Clean scalp equals healthy hair. So that's what I'm doing. And, just kind of give yourself a really good scalp massage, like I said, and then rinse. And we're going to get ready to condition. And now I'm going to take my Mix Easy conditioner. Even though this bottle is not as big, this is why I always tell people you should splurge on shampoo and not conditioner. Usually I like really big conditioner bottles because you're going to see me take so many globs of conditioner. Like, I really like to make sure that my hair is saturated with conditioner. Because as you can see, as I rinsed it out, my hair is just already soaking up that water and just getting big. So I just make sure I put the conditioner everywhere, the shaft of my hair, the ends, and the root area. And I'm rubbing that in. And then I'm going to do the most important step of my wash day routine, and that is detangling my hair in the shower. I cannot stress this enough. I feel like this makes the process of doing your hair so much easier, like 10 times easier. Just the fact that you're detangling while your hair is wet, and you're helping spread the conditioner throughout your hair. This just makes it a lot more manageable as well, and less tangles when you get out the shower. So it kind of cuts your styling time in half if you go ahead and detangle in the shower. And then I like to always do my hair in 2 sections too. Sometimes I will do 4 depending on how dirty my hair is, but as you can see, I am taking out the shedded hair. This may look like a lot, but you have to keep in mind I had a braid out for like 7 days. So during that 7 days, I was not combing my hair. So that is normal. That is normal shedding for someone who does not do their hair every single day. And then I'm going to go shower. And then when I come back, I let that conditioner sit while I was bathing. And now my hair is smooth, and I'm able to run my fingers through my hair, so that's good. And now I'm just going to rinse out my hair. That is pretty much it. Very simple. It is a little time consuming because I have a lot of hair, but it is a lot easy if you do detangle in the shower. And that's pretty much all I do for my wash day routine. I do have a separate video coming for my co-wash routine, but this was for shampooing. Now, normally I will follow up with a deep conditioner, but this is basically it. Talk to you guys later. Bye.